Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing JoggAI, a tool that claims to turn static product page and assets into engaging videos ads with AI. So the tool works like that. You just add a static with a product page and assets, and Jog will transform it into a video ad. Buying the tier 1 and 2 you get the starter plan, and tier 3 you get the creator plan. The difference here will be the number of credits per month, so the number of the videos you can do per month. If you get tier 3 you get unlimited credits, 10 instant avatars per month, up to 15 minutes video length, and create video embeds. You have a limit of 5 minutes video length on tier 2 and 1 minute video length on tier 1, and also the limits of the instant avatars per month that you can use. So let's take a look at the tool. So the tool works like that. You just add the URL here and they will create the video. I'm gonna add Amazon URL and click on Analyze URL. You will select the materials that you can use from the video and click on Confirm. Here's the product description and the product name. It's also there. You can select the language. I have many of them. For the sake of this review, I'm gonna create the video in English, and the length. Let's create a 30-second video. You can also select the size. You can choose a different script. The tool will give you 4. You can select one of them and click on next. For the sake of this review, I'm gonna do it with the AI. The AI will create everything for you. So here you already have the video. Just click.
Looking for the ultimate portable speaker? Here are 3 reasons to buy. Reason 1. Experience powerful 25W sound with punchy bass and crisp highs. Reason 2. IPX7 waterproof design, perfect for pool parties and outdoor fun. Reason 3. Enjoy up to 24 hours of playtime with vibrant LED light shows. Pair 2 speakers for an immersive stereo experience at your next gathering. Ready to elevate your audio experience? Grab yours today and rock the party. Looking for the
The video is done. You can add music.
Looking for the ultimate portable speaker? Here are 3 reasons. 1. Experience.
You can change the avatar if you want.
Looking for the ultimate portable speaker? Here are 3 reasons.
Also change the template.
Looking for the ultimate portable speaker? Here are 3 reasons to buy.
And just click here to render the video when you are ready to go. It spends 1 credit and your video will be ready in minutes. If you like that review, remember to click on the link in the description. Then you'll get all the information you need to get Jog with the best price.